The next type of problem that comes up, well, is applying percents to everyday life. And we do that when we look at taxes, tips, markups, and discounts. All of these types of problems are percent of a number problem, which means you're going to do the percent times the number, or in this case, the percent tax times the price of the jacket. So for this problem, if you remember, we're just going to take the tax as a percent, and we're going to multiply it times the price. So if you look, the tax is 5%. Well, 5% means 5 out of 100, 0.05. And we're going to multiply that by $74.95, the price of the jacket. This is what happens if you were at the store. When you took that jacket to the counter and they ran the cash register, they'd scan the card or the price tag and it would say $74.95, and then it would find tax. Now in Indiana, our tax is a little higher, but in this particular state, it's only 5%. And if you do that, you find out you get this number for tax, 3.7475. And you're like, wait a minute, that doesn't look like money. You're right, because we go to the nearest penny, so you have to round that to the nearest cent. So in this case, that 4 should round up to a 5, and the tax is $3.75. Well, how do you get the total cost? Well, what does the cash register do for your total? It takes the price and it adds the tax. And if it does that, that's how you get your bill. Which in this case would be 77. I made a mistake. $78.70. Okay, that's how we do tax. That's how we do tips. That's how we do markups. Those tend to be higher percents. Tips tend to be higher. But tax, they multiply it times the price, then they add it back on.